Alright, here's my brand new Hoover Constellation vacuum. This is the stainless steel model, as you can see. Um, I ordered it from Hoover.com, and it got here on Tuesday the 16th of December 2008. And it's pretty cool. The only thing that is wrong with this is when I got it, it has, if you can see, the hose is bent in, it was there, and, well, I can't see the other place, but Hoover is sending a new hose, and the other thing is the turbo nozzle. That's the only thing that I really don't like. They kind of ruined this vacuum because it's really powerful. They ruined it by putting a turbo nozzle on. But here, I'll show you. The one thing that I did was I took my the new Hoover Elite that I've got, and I actually took it and vacuumed my whole house with this Constellation, and then vacuumed it with the Elite, and it pulled up a lot of dirt. And then I noticed something, and I'll show this to you. This has a few cracks in here, and if it's not pushed on far enough, it really slows the turbine brush down. Let me show that to you. I've got it plugged in. Alright, now that was with the nozzle not tight on there. Now let me just tighten this for a second. Alright, and this is with it tightened on there. There's a big difference. I have not redone that test, but I'll show you how this works. Hold on. Let me straighten out the nozzle. Alright, I got that done. And it does have a telescopic wand, as you can see. And here, I'll show it to you. And for those of you who don't know, this is supposed to float on air, and as you can see, it floats on air fairly well, except on this rug. I can't get it to float right. All in all, it's a good vacuum, but if you have deep pile carpets, don't use this for your only vacuum because of the turbo nozzle. You'll destroy your carpets, and it won't get out the grit, and you'll destroy them and owe a lot of money in replacing your carpets. But it's really nice. It's got the tools all on board. You can put them on the wand if you want to. But the one thing that I really thought was funny, and hold on one second, let me do something. Alright, if you've ever used the shop vac, you know that to empty them, they've got a little latch on the back. And this one has one exactly actually like the shop vac that I have. If you flick this up, it's actually spring loaded, so it just pops up. And that lets you into the bag compartment. And I've used this quite a bit, and the one thing that I have noticed, we have 3 cats, the litter gets, actually, the air blows it up onto here. So every time before I put this away, I actually have to take the dusting brush and vacuum the base off. But it traps, instead of the, if you look normally, there's only a 99.97% rating for HEPA filtration, because that is supposed to be the minimum. But I think they actually lowered that, because if you look, the Hoover Mach 5 is considered certified HEPA, and it only traps 99.5, which it used to be, it has to trap 99.7%, or 99.97% actually, and it doesn't, but it's rated as HEPA. Now this is rated as HEPA bags, and this traps 99.98%, so 0.01% better than what the minimum is. And the thing that really impressed me, if you've ever used a Miele, their bags are made out of like a cloth material instead of paper. That's like what this is made out of. It's not paper, and it's not a really thick cloth. I don't really know what it's made out of, but it's really thick and it's really nice. It traps a lot. It traps the dirt really good. And here's the motor filter down in there. And overall, I went crazy cleaning my house with this thing. And I almost had to return it because of that turbo nozzle being so bad, but then I realized it wasn't on there tight enough. And so I ended up cleaning out the bag so I could return it with my upright. And it actually filled the canister, and I had this and used it for one whole day, cleaning my whole house, like dusting, cleaning the hard floors, normal floors, everything. And it got a full canister, at least for my bagless upright. And they give you this hard floor brush. Basically what this is for, if you own an apartment and only have a few area rugs, well, not even area rugs, I guess you would consider them throw rugs, this would be good for that. But other than that, I would not get this. I would not recommend this. But you know, if you're going off to college or something and you need a good vacuum, this is actually perfect for that, because of the hard floor brush and then the turbo nozzle. And the turbo nozzle actually works nice on your furniture if you've got pets. And then of course it's got your upholstery tool, your dusting brush, an actual dusting brush instead of, because normally they give you these and call it an upholstery and dusting brush combination. And then you've got your crevice tool. But all in all, it's a really nice vacuum. I'll do that test actually and tape it between the, it would only be in one room because I can't fit it into 10 minutes for my whole house. But I will do a comparison between this and my Elite and put that up on YouTube. So comment, tell me what you think of it, and buy one if you like it.